Today we're going to try BBQ with this simple grill made from this aluminum foil pan. This kind of large capacity aluminum foil pan has a high temperature resistant. And it's disposable. Recycled after baking without cleaning. So convenient. First, we need a small shelf on the floor. Set up the pan to prevent the heat from damaging the floor. Then put the carbon in the pan, and put solid alcohol in the middle of the carbon to ignite it. When the carbon is heated to a certain temperature, place the chicken wings one by one on the iron net, the closer to the center, the hotter it will be. When baking chicken wings, pay attention to constantly reverse the wings and coat it with barbecue sauce, lest the wings adhere to the iron net. Make sure them uniform heated. You see, one of the chicken wings is stuck and lost some meat. Yo. Finally, look at the chicken wings. If it becomes dry, means it is already cooked. Then coated my favorite honey on them. Bake again, and the honey will create a sweet taste on the wings. Nice.